Chop. I was almost assaulted in Chop as well, and I called the
I
police.
just heard a
They never
bird.
showed up.
What the
Between the
hell?
police and the protesters at the time, and was one of the goals of CHOP to cut the police funding in half?
Separate group. That was a separate
What he
group, because again,
doing?
like I said, there was two sets of protesters. There was the protesters who
You
wanted to
can't
defund the
see me.
police, and there was the protesters like myself who wanted to keep the police, but maybe hold them accountable. My question
Can you
is,
see me? Yeah. You gotta stay in your little homie homie. You stay in your home. My favorite. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. What's up, buddy? We got a bunch of guineas in here. Bunch of guineas are born. Hey, little guinea. This thing says, where? Any other escapees? Any other escapees? They all love me. And their mama, they think. Hey, little kitties. This is their first day out. Okay. They're already jumping up on this thing. Usually they don't jump up here until like a week. Kitties are smart now. Look. Look at this little guy. Where you come from, little dude? You're a survivor. You're tiny as can be, though. That's right. Please hit that like and subscribe. Show us some love, baby.